Imagine waiting for a decade only for your anticipation to be snuffed out. That's right, folks, Apple has canceled its long-rumored electric car. For 10 long years, the tech world has been buzzing with whispers of this exciting venture. An Apple car, a blend of the company's renowned innovation and the future of automobile technology. But now it seems that the dream has been dashed. Bloomberg has reported that the Apple car, internally known as Project Titan, has officially been scrapped. This comes as a shock to many who had been eagerly awaiting the unveiling of the first prototype. But instead, we're left with a sense of wonder of what could have been. After multiple delays, with the most recent one pointing to a 2028 due date, the project has been cancelled. So, what led to this drastic decision? Let's take a look at the timeline of events. The journey of the Apple car, internally known as Project Titan, has been quite the roller coaster ride. It all began in 2014 when whispers of Apple's ambitious plan to build a fully autonomous electric car started seeping into the tech world. The idea was revolutionary, an iCar that could drive itself. Yet, a decade later, we're still waiting for even a glimpse of a prototype. Over the years, the Apple car's debut has been nothing short of a moving target. Originally, Apple aimed to kick off production in 2024, but as we all know, that date came and went without a single iCar rolling off the assembly line. A couple of years later, Bloomberg reported that production was delayed until 2026. And just yesterday we heard the news that the debut has been pushed back once more, this time to 2028. But the delays weren't the only thing that changed during this decade-long journey. The vision for the Apple car's self-driving capabilities also saw multiple revisions. Initially, Apple had its sights set on full autonomy, a Level 5 system as defined by the engineering group SAE International. But as the years rolled on and technology limitations became apparent, the tech giant decided to dial back its ambitions. First, Apple aimed for a Level 4 system, which would only allow full autonomy on approved highways. This meant that the Project Titan would no longer be a robotaxi without a steering wheel or pedals. Instead, the car would include these controls. But even that plan was eventually scrapped. Now, according to Bloomberg sources, the Apple car is expected to start with Level 2 Plus autonomy, a level that isn't officially recognized by SAE but includes more features than a standard Level 2 system. And then, the final twist in the tale, the cancellation of the Apple car. With the focus now shifting to generative AI, it seems like the dream of the iCar will remain just that, a dream, and thus ends the saga of the Apple car. A decade-long journey filled with anticipation, delays, and a surprising conclusion. So, what does this all mean? What are the key points to take away from the story of the Apple car? The tale of the Apple car, or Project Titan, has been a roller coaster of rumors, delays, and ultimately, cancellation. This ambitious endeavor started a decade ago, with the tech giant seeking to disrupt the automotive industry with a fully self-driving electric car. However, after years of speculation and anticipation, the dream of the Apple car has been shelved, seemingly for good. The timeline of events reads like a series of setbacks. Initially slated for a 2024 production start, the projected date was then pushed back to 2026, and most recently to 2028, before the project was cancelled altogether. This is a testament to the complexity and challenges of creating an autonomous vehicle, even for a tech powerhouse like Apple. The level of self-driving capability was also a moving target. From the onset, Apple aimed high with a Level 5 autonomous system, the pinnacle of self-driving technology. However, technological limitations forced Apple to scale back its ambitions, first to Level 4, and then to a nebulous Level 2 Plus autonomy. This is a reminder that despite the rapid progress of AI technology, fully autonomous driving remains a lofty and elusive goal. The final decision to cancel the Apple car is significant, not just for Apple, but for the tech industry as a whole. It underscores the immense challenges that tech companies face in branching out into new industries, particularly ones as complex and regulated as the automotive industry. However, it's not all doom and gloom. With the cancellation of the Apple car, Apple is said to be shifting its focus to generative AI. This could potentially unlock new frontiers in technology and innovation. While the Apple car may be no more, the tech giant's focus on generative AI suggests that there are still exciting things to come. Stay tuned for more updates on the latest tech news.